In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture in Canva. If you're creating a flyer, a presentation slide, or a social media post, adding images the right way can make your design look much more polished and professional. The good news is that Canva makes this process very simple once you know where to click and what to look for. I'll walk you through how to open your design, upload your own image, use Canva's built-in photo library, place the image onto your canvas, and then export your finished work. To begin, open Canva and go to the project where you want to add your picture. On the home page, you'll usually see your recent designs. Click on the presentation, document, post, or other design you want to work on so it opens in the main editor. Once you're inside the project, make sure your canvas is visible and active so any action you take applies to the correct page or layout. If you want to use a picture from your own computer or device, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Uploads. When that panel opens, select Upload Files. From there, choose the image you want to insert. Canva supports common file types like PNG, JPG, and WEBP, so most standard images will work without any issue. After you select the file, give it a moment to upload fully before moving on. This helps avoid placing an image before it's ready. If you don't have your own image, you can use Canva's built-in stock photo library instead. In the same left sidebar, click Elements, then scroll until you find the Photos section. You can also use the search bar to type in a keyword related to the kind of image you need. Browse through the results and choose something that matches your design style and message. Once your image is ready, either from uploads or from the photo library, click and hold the image thumbnail, then drag it onto your design. Drop it directly onto the page. If your design has a frame or placeholder, move the image over it until Canva snaps it into place automatically. That snapping feature is especially helpful for keeping layouts clean and consistent. Finally, take a quick moment to check the positioning of your image. Move it around slightly and watch for Canva's alignment guides, which help you center elements and keep spacing even. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG if you want a crisp digital image, or choose PDF Print if you're preparing something for printing. Then click Download to save your finished design to your device. And that's it. You now know how to insert a picture in Canva quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.